nice house right here. Boop. Right here. That's beautiful. Ooh. Whoa. I didn't really realize he got another pool. I did put my feet in there. It's warm, but the jacuzzi is jacuzziing. Ooh. Ooh. And this lady got a swimsuit on. Look. Oh, I didn't test it. I'm not testing no lazy river. Still chilly, and I'm really close to the edge. I ain't getting no closer. This is it. This is it. But it's beautiful. It's windy. Did I say it was like 51 degrees? Upper 50s. It's cold this morning. I got a long sleeve on, but I think I need to grab a hoodie. It's so nice. I really don't want to go. I don't want to go back home, guys. I love it. But it's definitely nice. Look at that. All that water back there. Whoa. But anywho, catch you later. Well, come on.
It's cold.
It's about to fly away. I don't think this thing can handle. Well, you want to go back upstairs with your daddy? Okay.
I just saw catfish just now. I can go down there and just grab one up.
Sheesh.
Late at night, go fishing?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so. These people never sleep or
Oh, yeah, you're right. Mm-hmm. Ain't nobody sleeping. They watching. What? What? Oh, you see it?
Yeah,
What is it?
too hard to meat.
Yeah, that's a lot of meat.
But I don't think it's good.
Oh, it might not?
This is fish.
But there's no slide.
Oh, they're feeding them, that's why.
Yeah, that's why it's dead.
Ooh. Fish food. Oh, wow. Do you want to eat first? Do you want to eat first?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, they got an ice cream place too. Retroactive.
Feed them after I make some more feed them.
Ooh.
That is pretty though. I like that.
That is. What's this over here? I don't know. They got a lot of stuff. We about to go check out Paula Deen. Yeah. Paula Deen. Oh my gosh. I wonder how much that costs to rent. Ooh. Well, you know me. Boy. Jesus. Whoa. Oh, y'all ready? Dean. Even though we're... Well, this is the Paula Deen store, and it's looking real quick. We was gonna go to the restaurant, but it's set up a little different than what we thought. Ooh, she got shot glasses. Let me see. Before he might change his mind. Yeah, I'm coming. Family style dinner. Let's see. It says choose two home dishes and food. Let's see.
Hey y'all, how we doing? Good, how are you?
All right. Anyways, oh, this is cute. Yeah. And your girl gotta get on her duties because there's been a change of plans. Boy. Okay, it's my stash of what? Oh, they got bigger ones. Oh, look at these. These are so cute. Oh, oh, look at this. This is so cute. And they got little sippy cups. Ooh. Oh my God. Hold on. Wait. Is this a mug? Oh. Oh, what? 2 for 18. One. Oh, sorry, y'all. 2 for 18. 1 for $10. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. They got a whole bunch of shit in here. My hero. You got chairs to sell. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to mute this out. Oh Lord. It's like summertime, so I kind of wanna. What? Oh, that's good. Thank you. Buy one, get one free. Buy one, get one free. Oh, look, you get your baby one of them sippy cups. Oh. Oh, they got toys in here too. Oh, good thing he come. Maybe I should get a shirt. What is that? Oh, these are cute. Oh, but I don't really too care for gold, but they got them in silver too. Oh, $10 for a keychain. Should I get a keychain? Oh, that's, oh, why do you see Myrtle Beach on there? Ooh. Oh, what the rest of the color is that? I'm like 2 for $30. I'm gonna get something that I don't wear all the time. Ooh. Actually, I should get that. Oh, but y'all know I like purple, right? Oh, Myrtle Beach. Okay. Or should I get something? Ooh, should I get this? 2 for $20. I'm gonna say, can I mix and match? Oops. Buy one, get 2 free. No, buy one, get 2 free. So how much is for one? That's a question. It's sweatshirt. I don't know sweatshirt. Okay, so now I am on the Myrtle Beach. We call it Boardway. I don't know why I say Boardway, Boardwalk. And they have lots of things. The Ripley's, believe it or not, arcade. I wanted to go there, but what is this? Oh, okay. We get your most wanted photos from. Those are cute. I'm about to make a U-turn because my folks, they waiting. Oh, they do henna, tattoo, hair wrap. Ooh. I really wanted a funnel cake, but if I eat anything else after eating those nachos, something wrong. I have more than a worm. Oh, okay. So it is called the Myrtle Beach Boardwalk General Store. Ooh, they got bubble tea. They got all, ooh. They got that good stuff. Oh, they got bluebell ice cream, y'all. Banana birthday cake, black cherry, butter crunch. Oh, chocolate chip. Oh my gosh, cookie. Oh, they got chocolate chip cookie dough. Then they got the cookies and cream. Oh, Oh snap. Let me go. Those are pretty huge. I saw a lady with one of them pineapple things. Those were huge. I'm like, dang. Okay, we gonna walk quick because I got people waiting on me, honey. What they say? Downtown. Oh, Ambassador. They got stuff over there. Ooh. That lady over there braiding her hair. What they got else? Oh, maybe I should have came over here. 2 for $25. Mix and match. Oh, buy one get two. Oh, okay. Feels like everybody do buy one get one free. It's okay. I supported my melanated folks, so it's all right. The yachty. Ooh, they got pizza. Ooh. Oh, this is what I saw. They had the Ripley's Maze Illusion Lab. Okay, so we might come back. I don't know if you can get the same $15 for parking. They do hair over here. But yes, this is where I wanted to come, but everybody else is ready. Everybody is ready to go. What is this over here? Ooh, y'all, look at me with my big belly wearing all white. Y'all see the dolphin? Ooh, sorry, folks. Okay. What else is down there? We'll find out next time. I got a lot of editing to do, but anywho, we'll find out next time. Let me head back to my car. I hope y'all can't hear that. Ooh, that's cute. It's an arcade. We didn't get to go. Like, these people, they can't hang with me. Like I told y'all, when I go on vacation, I be wanting to do everything. Ooh. I be wanting to do everything. Ooh. Y'all can see me? Oh, look at you. Y'all see your girl in her shadow? Her reflection. Ooh. I don't look too bad. I was like, Oh, jeez. Actually, I don't like this picture. Cause you know, back then, those times, but we ain't gonna go back there. Peaches Corner. Okay, we hear you loud and clear. Peaches, they got, ooh, the foot long hot dog. They got Peaches Burger. Sorry, I know that's so far away. Burger, world famous burger basket. They got chicken sandwich. Oh, please, baby, don't run out. Not a fish sandwich. Who want a fish sandwich? Oh, barbecue. They got barbecue sandwiches. See, if everybody just took the moment to walk, you know what I'm saying? Cause we just ate. If y'all just took a break to walk, y'all know y'all walk out this food, honey. Woo. Now, when I was looking at hotel rooms, I was really, but not gonna lie, I thought that was a bird. I thought it was a bird, y'all. Ooh, look at that. I did not know that was a kite. Today is definitely a beautiful day to fly a kite. Oh my gosh. Ah! All right, let me end this.